The tank is completely dry, just for the record. Well, let me go grab the battery. And I'm trying to keep the connectors, the charger, on the...
so it doesn't kill the computer?
Yeah. Guy at Cars and Coffee had an Optima battery that was dated back to 13.
Not bad.
Oh no, excuse me.
Here, I'll take this so you don't short the battery.
It was 13 years old.
Well, how old was my Honda battery before it finally croaked?
That was 14 years old. The original Honda battery in your car.
That's like old fart by car battery standards. It's like senior citizen status.
Okay. Are we ready?
You want to hit the fuel pump?
Yeah. It's pumping gas, because I know that for a fact. Okay, let's look. You watch that one, I'll watch this one. Holler if you see anything wind up into the... And I know it's pumping fuel, and you know the reason why. Oh, leak.
Oh, lovely.
Look, it came back.
Oh, lovely.
I don't know how much tighter I can safely crank that. Ready?
Ready. Smells like ether.
Okay.
Clear.
Ignition on. Fuel pump on.
You forgot to remove the cardboard.
I didn't do the cardboard.
Alright, clear.
Ignition on. I might actually just run my other 12-volt battery directly to the coil for starting.
Where's the other 12-volt battery?
The little tiny ones.
Oh.
Okay, do me a favor and turn the ignition on.
Alright, clear.
Clear. Nothing. I can put this down in here for the time being.
Yeah.
Nothing. Put on.
Come on, baby, you can do it.
Okay. Let's let it charge up a little bit. Maybe I need to spray more ether in. Don't do too much. Ready?
Tell me when.
Go.
Hi, I'm Tom. I go by Wits End on the Corvair Center forum. Behind me is my finally running 61 Corvair Lakewood that was given to me in 1995. And in 2019, I decided I was either going to get rid of it or I was going to do something about it. I'll do a much more in-depth video about what I did to the engine and the transmission, but it is running. It sounds like the carburetors need some work though, but it is running, and that's a long way from where it was.